Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best fuel transfer pump in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best fuel transfer pump. Starting at number 5, we have the Fuelworks Electric Diesel Fuel Transfer Pump. This compact, lightweight, and portable fuel pump is equipped to fit on pickup trucks, boats, and construction machinery for extra convenience and mobility. It's intended for diesel fuel engines. It comes with a 13-foot fuel hose and a 12-volt motor. It's capable of pumping up to 10 gallons of fuel per minute. As an extra benefit and great feature, the hose can be cut and adjusted to your desired length. The pump is also quite simple to set up, and it's fast and easy to transfer diesel fuel from a storage tank to a truck or other container. It comes with a max pressure of 14.5 psi and functions in extreme temperatures. There are a few not so great things about the pump. For one thing, the pump may prematurely fail after a few months of use. The hose is cheaply made, and the nozzle may leak. You may have to modify the pump to make it work more effectively, and it only pumps diesel. Moving on at number 4. We have the Gas Tapper Gasoline Transfer Pump. Gas Tapper's gasoline transfer pump, siphon, is an easy-to-use device with everything neatly and comfortably packed away in a large case. As an electric transfer pump, it works quickly to transfer liquid from point A to point B. This also means it's able to transfer more fuel in less time. Plus, you don't have to use manual labor, and that's always a bonus. The transfer pump kit comes with a 12-volt, case-mounted, high-lift pump that generates 7 to 10 pounds per square inch. We're talking a lot of power here. It also features an LED power indicator light, 8-foot coils, and a 15-inch cord. It's rated to pump out 32 gallons per hour. It's designed for more difficult jobs that require more time and effort to get done. Yet, as it's an electric fuel transfer pump, the kit is expensive. Another problem you may find is when repacking the case. It can be annoying to load everything inside again, as cords may not always sit the way you originally found them. At number 3, we have the Gas Tapper Siphon Pro XL. One of the largest and most powerful fuel transfer pumps on our list is from Gas Tapper. This is a robust and large fuel siphon that pumps up to 4 gallons per minute and includes a lengthy anti-kink hose for easier access. All you do is squeeze the bulb to get it to transfer fuel in a jiffy. It's a versatile tool that acts as both a pump and a siphon for gas, water, and diesel. It features an 8-foot hose with an anti-kink spring, and comes with a weighted jiggler for extra weight to hold it in liquid. This makes it a lot easier to keep the hose where you want it without you having to hold it in yourself. You may find that it can encounter blockages in the hose when in use. As for the bulb, it feels on the weak side and may not inflate all that quickly, therefore increasing the amount of time it takes to transfer liquid. At number 2, we have the Fill-Rite 12 volts 15 GPM Fuel Transfer Pump. This heavy-duty cast iron designed pump is intended for use in rough operating environments. It features a powerful 1/4 of a horsepower DC motor that runs at 2,600 RPM. Plus, it includes a suction lift of up to 6.5 feet of diesel fuel, and comes with a quick and efficient fuel flow rate of around 15 gallons per minute. It's easy to assemble and pumps diesel quickly. You only need to put it on for a few minutes to fill a large vehicle's tank such as an F350. It can be mounted onto a truck bed or trailer for added convenience and quick access to fuel. This premium pump also features a discharge pressure of 16 psi. The first thing you may notice about this transfer pump is its size. At around 33 pounds, it's large and robust, so it isn't designed to be carried. Plus, the pump doesn't have an auto shutoff, so you have to monitor it. It can also be a little noisy, and you need to buy a filter. And finally at number 1, we have the Terra Pump battery-powered fuel transfer pump. This pump runs on 4 AA batteries and features a no-spill automatic nozzle and flexible intake hose. Its small design makes it versatile and easy to lug around with you or mount on a vehicle. It includes a 35-inch long discharge hose so you can reach gas cans, vehicles, lawnmowers, and storage tanks. The pump is able to fit on most North American plastic fuel cans, plus it comes with 3 different sized adapters for extra convenience. It comes with a pump rate of 3 gallons per minute and is lightweight at just under 1 pound. It also includes a rain-resistant power cover to protect the electronics. There are some things to be aware of when it comes to this pump before making your final purchase. The pump may begin leaking or stop working altogether after a short period of use. Also, it's not made of very high-quality parts, which may contribute to failure. Its pump rate is on the lower end.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.